Me and my partners are angel investors. We invest in startups and we invest in entrepreneurs. We are entrepreneurs ourselves. We come from a family of entrepreneurs, so that is what is the motivation for us. We are, my partners are in the hospitality business, so we believe in investing in technology related to the hospitality industry. And the hospitality industry has not seen a lot of innovation using the new technologies that we have in terms of mobile phones or internet and all that. I think it's just becoming mainstream. So we are looking at how technology can improve hospitality experience. How can we improve the service experience? How can we improve the hospitality experience of somebody staying as guests in our properties? And those kind of industries. And of course, we are biased towards technology. We believe the internet is here to stay, and the mobile space is here to stay, and all the tools and technologies that have been built in the last 10 years have become reality now, where real value can be created. And so we're looking at investing in a whole bunch of those kinds of things that helps traditional businesses use these new tools.